Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I just elaborate the discussion about mobile browser. Okay, mobile browser means VRIP's some service of browser like mobile, non-mobile, the actuator, gripper, modifiers, sensors, nature, office items, others, and also. So, firstly, I show you the components. Firstly, when you open the VRIP software, then it look like that mobile browser. Then when you click on this plus icon, then the components plus icon, after that it show some items like actuator, grippers, location, and properties, modifiers, sensors. Okay, so firstly I show you the actuators. That's called actuators. Here is you get different types of actuator like generic motor, generic revolt motor, and generic revolt servo with backslash motor, and etc. Many items of actuator shares. Then you select it one click after right button, and then click on right button and drag and drop on the simulation page. Okay, so here it's too small. For that you can zoom in and zoom out by moving wheel, mouse wheel. Okay, that's okay. After that I show you the grippers. For that I click on grippers. Here is the grippers. All that different types of grippers are here. So that's it's mainly barrette hand, then barrette hand, and boxer gripper, and also that's the some carry on hand. Okay, and after that different types of grippers are here. You see in after that locomotion and properties. That's the locomotion. Here is that's all moving parts. Okay, that's all moving parts. When I select it, that's on moving, and if I simulation it, that's the moving. Okay, after that there is also some locomotion objects for, and here is the wheel and propeller. After that I show you the modifiers. Here is the modifiers. Different types of modifiers are here. You can see when you select object, then it show the visual in it window. Okay, then the sensors. Here is the sensors. Okay, in sensors you can carry on it, and by coding you can use it properly. Okay, then the equipment. Here is the equipment convisor, the pans. Okay, when you click on it, the convisors are here. Conveyor belt, then conveyor belt, and short conveyor belt, long conveyor belt, etc. are here. After that you can select pans. Here the pans like wall. Okay, and the examples some objects is here, and block factory is there also. Different types of block factory which can use properly, and furniture also. Furniture it provides some furniture like that. Okay, tables like, then chairs like that. Okay, then the main function is robot. Here you check it properly, not too much hard. After that you click on robot. Here is the two types of robot, one mobile and non-mobile. So when you click on mobile robot, that means that all are moving. Okay, like that. I just then simulation on. That's the simulation button. When you on it, that's moving. Okay, that's called our mobile robot. So here all are moving parts. You can drag and drop on simulation window. After that, non-mobile robot. That's mobile robot are not moving, but its different parts are moving. Like when I drag and drop it, it's those parts. Like you can move its one place to, we cannot move its one place to another place, but its parts move here and here. But its main base are attached with here. Okay, like that. Here is the another parts of non-mobile robot. So when I start simulation, when I start simulation, it's like that. Okay, after coding, it's will be moved here and here, and take, objects take one place to another place. Okay, so those are non-mobile robot. After that, the tools. Tools here, different types of tools, but here is vehicles, and vehicles you can see that motorbike, helicopter, and also many other parts in vehicles. Then the household items are cups, large bucket, etc. Infrastructure like bathroom item, and then the doors of different types of doors here, others. Then stairs, others stairs, and urban, in urban you see a customization building and you can customize it. Okay, walls, different types of walls, and height and width, that's are walls. So thank you everyone. In next tutorial again I discuss with another parts of this software.